Hello everyone, a warm welcome to English Tech Magazine Computer Vignanam.
Among scams, sports betting scams are different. Betting is a commonly heard term, but as technology grows, scams are also growing. It is taking different forms. Especially during IPL, such betting reaches the stars. Let us look at these new type of scams. Scam websites. Sports betting websites are found a lot on the internet. In such websites, you might get profit if you invest money. But you get into betting again, you lose. Scammers put all sorts of conditions to stop you from withdrawing money. They call it technical issues, or they put a time period, or they ask you to pay some amount to withdraw. All this is cheating. Scam decoppers. This is sports betting type scam. They attract you in the name of legitimate games. They convince you that winning amounts are high. Many people believe this, but this is also cheating. In such games, scammers guide you to make mistakes and put stress on you. Betting syndicates. Like scam decoppers, scammers form groups on social media and carry out scams. This is called betting syndicate. They say they will help you to win and finally you get fooled. They charge money and fool people. Many people misleaded this way. Save yourself this way. Check the ratings of betting providers and websites. Check the reviews. If somebody claims risk-free and 100% guarantee, it's surely suspicious. Because no betting would be without risk. Nobody can get 100% returns. Use Trend Microcheck and check web address.
If you found this video is useful, please like. For many such useful and informative videos, please subscribe to our channel Computer Vignanam. Thank you.